Hi, I'm Nibu Phillips with Synaptics. In this series of videos, our team is going to get you started designing with Astra, our AI-native compute platform for the IoT. Synaptics has a rich history of building industry-leading technologies that have come to shape human-machine interactions. Among the pioneers of on-device AI, Synaptics products span modalities for touch, audio, voice, and vision. Now, with Astra, we are pushing boundaries further and bringing these technologies into the IoT device edge that is fast becoming AI-enabled. At the core of Astra are high-performance MPUs and MCUs with integrated inference engines, ARM-based processors, GPUs, DSPs, and advanced I/O capabilities to meet the demands of AI applications at the edge. But Astra is more than silicon. It's a complete framework with a unified software environment and open source tools, making development simpler and more accessible. With its adaptive AI framework paired with Synaptics' best-in-class wireless connectivity solutions, it's paving the way for a smarter, more connected future. In this series of videos, we'll show you the capabilities of the Astra SL series of MPUs, starting with the unboxing of the Astra Machina SL1680 evaluation kit. We'll take you through the Linux-based SDK, dive into real-world scenarios to maximize the capabilities of the SoC for multimedia applications, learn how to connect wireless capabilities enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and lastly, unlock the potential of AI with edge inferencing and learn how to optimize and run standard models. We are excited to get you started on your edge AI journey with Synaptics Astra. Get your hands on an Astra Machina board today and remember to watch all our tutorial videos.